I always wanna hold something. She don't smoke, but she gonna roll something. Got a bad bitch, she ready to fuck something. How you get that ass? All up in the gym.
What's okay, gang, Kimaka family? I am back with another video. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get slick back ponytail on type 4 hair, especially because our naturals out there, you know, it could be a real struggle to get that nice sleek ponytail, you feel me, especially to blend it in with the weave. Like, sis, I know the struggle. Sorry, this isn't like a really basic, you know, what's okay, gang, you know, type intro. I'm so sorry, I forgot to make an intro. But don't forget to follow all my social medias that be in his box down below. Don't forget to comment #Hurricane to get a shout out in my next video. Today's video shout out was these people right here. So yeah, if you got one video shout out, comment #Hurricane and you get shout out. So let's get into the video that way. So for the ponytail, I'm going to be using some SunberHair. They were kind enough to send me some bundles and a closure. I'm going to show you guys that today. So yeah, they had sent me some lashes in the box, you know, so cute, nice lengthy lashes. They're cute or whatever. They also sent me a 3-part closure. This is Brazilian curly. The closure is in 20 inches and they give me 3 bundles which are in 22 inches. So I had already opened up this bundle, but comes in like this fishnet, like this, like all your hair isn't like rudged up in the bag. And then when you open it, the curls are nice and curly, they're nice and coily. They're full all the way to the ends, they're not like split ends, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, we're just going to be using that for our ponytail in today's video. I just want to say thank you so much to SunberHair for these pieces. So yeah, let's get into our ponytail tutorial. I'm going to show you guys how to do a ponytail on type 4 hair because it is a struggle. We all know type 4 hair is beautiful in its ways, but to lay down, sis, it got a mind of its own. Alright, so right now I'm going to be taking down my puff, taking off the shoestring. My hair has been combed, brushed, netted that in the past 4 days, which is really bad, but I've been lazy. And you can straighten your hair for this, but I'm not. But I'm basically going to be parting my hair into 4 sections and then combing it. Okay, so now I'm going to be combing out my back section of my hair before we begin slicking it because it hasn't been combed in 4 days. So don't mind my facial expressions. I'm going to be putting my back, sole, wrist, all of that into this comb. Alright, so now that I'm done detangling the back section of my hair, I'm going to be going in with my Murray's Edge Wax. It's the Extreme Hold, the black like lid. It is so good. I really recommend it, but not for like if you don't set it with like gel, like Got to Be Glue or Eco Styler, it would just basically curl back up. But yeah, I'm going to be using that to lay down the back section of my hair and throughout my hair and stuff. So yeah. Hey, teach me how to brush it. Hey, teach me how to brush it. Everybody brush it. Everybody brush it. Alright, so now that I'm done slicking down the bottom section, I'm going to be doing the same to the middle section, detangle, slicking down with beeswax, self-explanatory. I'm basically going to be doing that for the rest of my hair, and I'll get back with you guys.
Let go. Yeah. Oh no. Oh yeah.
It's the original Batman.
One time, it's a bad man thing.
It's body, baby. VQs, let's
It's
go.
VQs.
I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like.
Alright, so now that we have the back portion slicked down, it's time to move up to the front portion. Don't mind those like little white stuff you see. It's going to be gone once we set down our hair. And I'm not going to talk once I do the front section because please self-explanatory. You just could choose a part and then you can slick it down however you want.
Tell them I'm the realest, then they feel me. Killing on the rhythm, then they feel me. I'm always all about my business. I got my business, I will never ever finish. She know be want to test in my style. Say she wanna throw the dice, body looking nice. From my hips down to her thighs. Then I look her in her eyes. One time, say she no one waste time. Bad man, me not give her one time, night time. Say she want me feel lifetime. Bad man, me not give her the pipeline. Enter the place, they be feeling her body. Swinging and moving and killing her body. She ain't got nothing to.
Hi, hello. Okay, so I'm back. Every time you're done taking a piece from your section and laying it flat, you want to tie it off with the rubber band so that that part of your hair could be secured. You feel me? It really pays off, honestly. It may sound dumb, but it's gonna pay off.
I do it like nobody can, and I'll give you all the things that nobody can. Hurricane, yeah, I want to meet you. Hurricane, yeah, I want to meet you. Girl, you want me island too. Beauty now your body get me eyes can see. Oh gosh, fire can cool. The way you want your body get your fire can cool. Ooh, she says she want the rundown. Bad man na me the run town. Then I tell her my lady, my baby, make she calm down. Bad man na me the run town. One time, say she no one waste time. Bad man me na give her one time, night time. Say she want me feel lifetime. Bad man, me not give her the pipeline. Giving her the vibe, say she wanna roll. Moving on her body, say she don't wanna go. Bad man's on the floor, people them applause. Singing and rapping, I'ma be killing on the floor. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane.
Alright, so now onto gel. So I like to use these two gels, the Eco and as well as the Got2b glue. I like to put this on top of my hair once it's slicked down into the ponytail, because if my hair stays like this and I didn't put a gel on top of it, it will melt. My hair will melt as soon as it sees the sun, sis. As soon as it sees light, it will melt. For the time being, it will stay like this, but it just needs gel if I want it to last. So I'm going to be using these two gels and then wrap my hair up. And yeah, and then that's when like the white things you see from the beeswax will go away. So yeah, until my hair will not be seeing the sun till it's on another earth, sis. I will not give it the chance to melt today.
Put it on me. Love the way you wind, yeah, put it on me. Don't know. Liquid bad man on the instrument. I give it them one time. Baby, yeah. No. Original. Yeah.
Just say no. Just say yeah.
Body nice. See I got them girls, them are moving right. See the girls, them a got me hypnotized. Them a make a bad man feel alright. Ooh, yeah. Man I tell her me she go low. Say you gonna get me when I'm all low. Man I tell her me she go low. Bad man I put you in a photo. Count down, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a low now. Go now, anywhere you wanna go now. Bad man, me a put you on a first class.
No. Just say yeah.
So baby, what you gonna do? Calling all your friends when they come through. So you really your number one to control. So you really meant for the girls when they come through. Come through.
I always wanna hold something. She don't smoke, but she gonna roll something. Got a bad bitch, she ready to fuck something. How you get that ass? All up in the